Good day, traders. MKU. So, as I've mentioned on my previous video, that I'll be dropping either gold, AUD, USD, CAD, JPY, and Euro USD analysis. So, I am seeing quite interesting price action on gold, which is XAU USD. So, I'm gonna start on the daily time frame. I am, well, if you have been following me for a while, you know that I base my trading strategy off of support and resistance. There's a lot of traders out there that say support and resistance doesn't work. To me, I actually find it otherwise. It works very well. You just have to know how to utilize it, and you have to know price action. So as we start with the analysis, you can see that on the past few weeks we have had a power move with the market pushing up, right? And then a couple of days ago, we've seen this pullback coming back down, right? So what you can anticipate after having a power move is after a correction, when a correction is done or a pullback, you expect another power move to happen again, right? To go up again. So how can we anticipate that? So well, the first thing that I look for support and resistance areas. Funny enough, some traders will tell you, it doesn't work, but believe me, it works very well. So what you want to do is when you look for these support and resistance areas, you want to look for these areas on the higher time frame. Like for example, I'm on the daily time frame. I'm not on the 1 hour, 15 minutes or 4 hour, those intraday time frames. I'm on a bigger time frame, a daily time frame, right? So you want to look for these areas where the prices are reversing, right? Then you can see we have a nice, beautiful spot right here that the price seem to respect, right? Let's take a look at this. From the 15th of August this year, when the price came down here to on the 22nd of August, we've seen a small rejection, prices pushing up to show that there is a support there, right? Came back down, we broke through, went back to retest it, and then we collapsed. This is everything that you have learned, right? When you were learning about forex, break, retest, continuation, right? Isn't that so? So why would you believe that support and resistance doesn't work? Okay, again we went back to the same resistance again, right? We retested it, the price fell again for the second time on the same area, right? Then we created this nice, beautiful double bottom on the daily support area, as you can see, or a triple bottom if you want to call it. Then we had this massive, massive push up, right? Power move. Then we broke above the resistance. So now we are retesting it as a support level, right? So I am anticipating the prices to push back up again, right? So the first question you want to answer when you say, okay, the prices are gonna go up, you want to look for your targets, right? Where is the prices? I just want to mark this support area. So you see that support and resistance doesn't work. What's that? But anyway, so now if this is gonna push up, we can target these previous highs, right? This will be my second take profit level. Why am I making this my second take profit level? Because the price has created a resistance here. Once a price goes to a point and then gets a rejection, moves significantly moves to the other direction, that area is a resistance. So that is a resistance. So you want to target this as your first target because the price can come here, create a resistance, form a double top, and then we go down, we break, we retest, we sell. If we are going down, if we are going up, the prices will just come back to the same area where we found support, and then we just continue going up, and then we would have a power move, A, B, C correction, and then we continue going up. It's as simple as that. So how can we see that, okay, the prices are indeed actually going up? So we can firstly go to the 4 hour, right? When we go to the 4 hour, what do we see? I see this bad boy right here. right? This bad boy right here. I'm sure most of you can notice this. You know this, you've seen this before. What did they say? They said it's a double bottom. What is a double bottom? It's a reversal pattern. So we are anticipating a break and a retest and then continuation to go up. It's as simple as that. Break of the neckline, retest, we buy. Because the pattern, the 4 hour pattern would have confirmed that the market is reversing and going up, right? So it's as simple as that. So this will be the first scenario. With the second scenario, I would say if we can get a power move breaking and then we don't retest, we are probably maybe going to have a correction like that one. And then we should break that area, continue going up. That will be your support and resistance areas that will work very well. So depending on the experience or knowledge that you have, or if you do know price action, you can actually buy the trade right here. If you have the skill to do so. If you don't, I will recommend that you take up the Power FX course. For that, I will teach you everything on how to enter a trade, what are the signals on entering a trade. So that will be your first target. That will be a 1 to 9 reward. Second target will be up there. That is a 1 to 17 reward. So yeah, basically that's it. The only thing that we have to wait for now is confirmation that okay, this double bottom does indeed play out. We want the market to break out of this and then retest, we go up. So that's basically it. So if I can switch off to a different topic, I just want to talk about. I know on my previous video I spoke about a free signals Telegram group. So I've decided otherwise with that. I've decided that I'll just post all the analysis here on YouTube. I mean, it's much easier to post on video because I can explain a few things rather than just giving you pictures and So I'll just post everything here on YouTube. And then for those who have questions or want to join or purchase the Power FX course, the link will be on the top right hand side of the banner. It will say join, contact me on Telegram. Actually, it will say, yeah, contact me on Telegram. So you can do that. Or alternatively, here on YouTube, you also have my email address. You can contact me using my email address if you don't have Telegram or you're not interested in registering an account on Telegram. But I would recommend that you do so because it's very easy to contact people there without sharing your contact details such as personal cell phone numbers because you can just use links and all that. So yeah, man. So one more time, let's wait to see if gold breaks out of that double bottom. If we get a retest, we buy, or if no retest, we wait for a small correction and then we buy that correction. So yeah, man, that's it. MK Power FX in the building. We are gonna catch this trade. Peace out.